So let me ask you a question. When you think about God or when you think about Christianity, what do you think of? Do you think about the time when your mom dragged you to church at 6 years old for Easter against your will? Or maybe you think of God as this all-powerful, all-knowing being who's just constantly watching over you to make sure that you don't slip up. Or maybe you think of the Bible as this rule book just telling you what you can and cannot do. Well, the truth is, God loves you more than you could ever imagine and wants you to live the life of your dreams. But first, in order to do that, you have to make sure that you are living for God and following His wise and godly principles so that you don't get hurt. Now, don't get me wrong, this isn't all about prosperity teaching. We're talking about the good, the bad, and also the hard to swallow. But ultimately, we will learn how to live our best lives through Jesus Christ. So if you want to learn about God and learn about Jesus in a more fun, modern, innovative, and creative way, then join the Glam Squad because this is for you. You may know God, you may even know Jesus, but today, you just got an upgrade. Join the Glam Squad by subscribing now. I cannot wait to grow closer to God with you. Stay glamorous.